some magic.
Okay, let's do it. Wait, my vlog. You get this on my thing.
What's he gonna do, some magic?
Yeah, doing magic right now. Do it. You know how to press the middle button and it's recording?
It's recording now.
Hey, what's up, bro? Love you too.
Hi, hello.
Yeah, see.
I saw her picture.
You got it? You saw it? Okay, good. I was like, I really hope
It's not very healthy. Not very appetizing.
I favorited it.
yeah, I saw that. I guess it was
I was excited when I saw it.
really?
Yes.
Oh my god.
You headed out or you going back?
Whoa!
We're just hanging around right now, Oh my god.
No.
No!
Security! Magic. Hey man, watch that shit. Yeah. Good job. Throw it in the trash. Good job.
Turn down for what?
Damn, that's crazy.
That's crazy.
Wow. That's magic, man.
Let's do it.
Thanks for watching. Come back tomorrow for a different magic trick performed out on the streets. I'm Jarek120, host of Disturb Reality. Make sure to hit the subscribe button, leave me a comment, and like this video, because I will be hosting a contest once I hit 900,000 subscribers. And every like helps the channel grow, comments as well. Check out my other channels, Best Life I Ever Had. I'm on Twitch as well. Follow me on Instagram and Twitter at Jarek120. Be inspired to learn, inspired to disturb, and always rise above.